to Good to Know. Today we're going to review just the coolest product I think I've ever seen. Today is September the 29th, and that means number one, we're doing this video, and two, we're doing a giveaway video, so stick around for that. And so, nothing like good planning. October the 6th will be the drawing to give this product away. So make sure you stick around and watch this full video, because there are rules for eligibility, and if you don't meet those rules, we have to disqualify you. We're going to select one winner. I will tell you that right now. So what is this wonderful product today? It is, I don't know if you can see from the picture, just a very simple packaging here, and it is called Pump 002. So what it is this. It's a pump. Let's come in for a close-up and I'll show you what this is. What the pump looks like out of the box. Has a cord or a hose that you plug in. Has a USB charger right here. It has an on-off switch right here, and then it has the outlet there. So this cord, or the hose actually, is long enough to fit to the bottom of my 5-gallon water jug, and this fits perfectly over the neck. So you just insert the hose in there. I'm demonstrating the water action. Single push and it turns the water on. That gives out a lot of volume in a short period of time.
This is real high. You normally wouldn't have it this high, but you have to see the button. It's very sensitive. This would be great for barbecuers, campers, fishermen, tailgating, or even in your home kitchen and you want some, it's good clean water to cook with or whatever.
Power outages. Our drawing date is October the 6th. If you're watching this video past that date, you won't be able to win, so don't enter after October the 6th in the morning. So here's our rules. If your name is drawn by the randomizer that YouTube provides us, then you will have 7 days, so you will have until October the 6th to email us with your contact information so that we can get this prize to you. If you're in the US, or Canada, we're going to drop ship this straight from Amazon to you. Oh no, we're not. We have extras. So we're giving away 2 of these this week to 2 lucky winners. So make sure
if you're in US or Canada.
If you're in US or Canada. Now if you're international, we will send you a gift certificate for the value of this product. Now, this is really such a cool product. I really like it, and the sponsors of this were really generous in providing us with more than one. So we get to keep one, and we're giving 2 to you guys, and we're giving another one away on our cooking show. So back to the rules. So you do have 7 days to get us your contact info so that we can get these shipped out to you. The entry keyword, or the secret password, is water pump. 2 words, water pump. So make sure you include that in your comment. So the rules, you have to subscribe. I left that part out earlier, but you have to subscribe. You have to use our keywords, water pump, and you have 7 days from the date that we draw your name to contact us. Otherwise, we will forfeit that winner. So go ahead and leave us a comment with your name. Subscribe if you haven't already. Make sure you share this video and help us grow this channel so that we can continue giving you guys excellent products, because the bigger we get, the more sponsors we're likely to receive, and that means the better the products will be. Check us out in our cooking show, and you can enter over there also to win one of these, but again, you have to be a subscriber. Our cooking show is called CastIronSkilletKitchen, and it's right here on YouTube. Thanks everybody. Subscribe, like, comment. Bye.